my ear just popped. Oh. I am currently unwell, but y'all are my YouTube fam and I've been posting on here every single Sunday since November, so I can't let y'all down. So for today I was thinking we do a 0 to 100 glam transformation, if you will. I'm not really feeling my best right now, as you guys can see. I don't know if I came down with the flu or some kind of sickness, but your girl isn't well. Okay, I've been taking my medicine, so let's just pray about it. But I'm not really feeling my best, like I said, so I want to be all cutesy and get dolled up and look my best. So let's go ahead and do that. I have all of my favorite makeup items over here to the right of me. We're just gonna get glam, chit chat, and yeah, have a good time. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, what are you doing? Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I do upload on here every single Sunday. And give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. The likes help out so much. And also leave me a comment down below. Okay, you know I don't bite. And don't forget to follow me on all my other social media sites. I will have them linked down below. And without further ado, let's transform. Okay, let's start out with primer. I already, hold on, where's my mirror? Okay, got it. Gonna go ahead and start off with primer first. I really love this one from Ciate London. This is their Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I think I'm just gonna go for like a more, I don't even know, like my everyday type of glam. Probably not gonna do eyeshadow and shit, but we're just gonna go for what makes me look and feel my best. It's just like congestion though. I feel like a lot of people were saying they were coming down with something called the neurovirus, I think. I don't think I have that or anything because I haven't been vomiting or throwing up or like anything like that. I think it's just like a sinus infection because as you can like kind of hear it, I sound like stuffy and congested like through my nose and throat. So I think it's like more so sinuses. I had like a really bad sinus headache the first day, but I've been taking like my NyQuil. I have like the daytime one and the nighttime one, and it's been working a little bit. So if I need anything extra heavy duty, then we'll see. But I also need to make some tea. I have some sleepy time tea in there with some lemons and some honey, so maybe I'll make me a cup of that tonight. Okay, I also want to do some blur primer in the T-zone, so I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. I like this one because it's like a silicone-y kind of look, but it doesn't feel greasy or silicone-y. So I'm just going to take some of this, and it's like really smoothing too. Also, you guys, let me like try to stand up. Look at the shirt my sister got for me. She recently visited from North Carolina where she lives, and she got me this shirt because she knows I love Scream. I also have a Michael Myers shirt too, but she knows I love me a good Scream movie, okay? I love the Scream franchise. So thank you, sister. I think the new Scream movie is coming out. They said like 2026, I think, which Miss Neve Campbell better be in it, okay, honey? She better not be playing no games, okay? Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite Scream movie is. My personal favorite, I love the first one, obviously, because it's a classic, duh. I'll probably have to say I like the second movie too with, what's his name's mom as the killer. That one was pretty good too. Oh gosh. Okay, primer is on. Let's go into this base. I think I'm gonna mix together two foundations. Two of my favorite foundations. I love the Patrick Ta, and then I also love the Haus Labs. I'm gonna mix these two together just to get a nice little concoction, if you will. Oh, I also want to mix in some of the, what is it? The One Size base thinner right here. This stuff is so good, you guys. I've been using this a lot recently. Such a good product, and it's so innovative too. Like, you don't really see brands coming out with base thinners, you know? So I'm just gonna take maybe like, damn, am I running out of this joint? Okay, maybe like 1.5 of Patrick Ta. Then we're gonna do a pump of Miss Haus Labs. Like a pump and a half, maybe, yeah. And then we're gonna do a full pump of Miss Base Thinner. Pump and a half. Okay, now I just need my flat brush. My flat foundation brush. I'm gonna take this and kind of just mix them together to get a nice little concoction. And we're just gonna paint it on the skin, honey. Look how freaking good that looks. I love to paint my foundation on first before I blend it out. I feel like it just gives me like such a nice even coverage. And it's just fun, to be honest. Like, I have a good old time painting my skin, baby. Okay, y'all know I love to blend my foundation out with my sponge. This one is from Painted. And yes, I dampen it with water. I get a lot of questions about that. So I'm just gonna go in and just blend this out. I feel like I can really take my time with my makeup today. Like, I don't have anything else to do. It's a Saturday, which usually I try not to work on the weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays. I try to take Saturdays just to kind of chill and relax, spend time with family and friends and do like fun activities. And then Sundays I try to do like grocery shopping, cleaning up around the house, kind of resetting for the next week ahead. So Monday through Friday is when I usually get all of my work done, but since I got sick randomly on like Wednesday, I think I wasn't really able to get all of my work done for the week, so Saturday it is. But that's okay. I'm blessed to be able to work regardless of the day of the week. So, amen. The sponge just really gives it to you, like the skin, baby. Now you guys can literally see why this is my favorite foundation. Well, favorite foundations, I should say. I recently just bought a brand new Juvias. Oh wait, this one definitely isn't it. Like I was saying, I recently bought a brand new of my Juvias Place Cream bronzer. This one is in the shade Amber. I really love this stuff, you guys, as you've seen from the other one that I just opened that was damn near empty. But I've been loving also the Morphe. Ew, why is this brush so dirty? Dirty nasty. Like I said, I've been loving this brush from Morphe. This is their new M242 cream and liquid bronzer brush. It works really well, you guys, and it really packs on the product nicely without it like, what do you call it, leaving streaks and shit. Just gonna go ahead and melt this into the skin. I recently tried underpainting on one of my last TikToks, if you guys seen that, and it was kind of spooky at first, but I will say it did turn out pretty nicely in the end. I don't know, it wasn't really for me. I see a lot of the girlies doing it, so I wanted to try it, but I don't think I will be trying that method again. It was fun to do for the one time, but I'm gonna stick to my normal routine. You guys, I literally cannot get over this skin right now. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Speaking of skin, you guys know Miss Michaela just announced her new brand launch called POV Beauty, which I thought is really nice, honestly. Love, love, love how the products look. They look very nourishing and just creamy and rich. So let me know if you guys want like a full review on that. I definitely want to clock into it. I know it launches in a couple weeks, I think. So let me know if y'all want a review, because I definitely want to try those out. Y'all know Michaela is my sis, but the review would not be biased, so let me know. Next up is liquid and cream blush. I have two. The first one here is from Plouise. This one is in the shade Grape Jelly. It's really pretty, like mauve-y kind of rosy pink. And then I also have this one from Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Strawberry Cream. Yeah, Strawberry Cream. They're honestly kind of similar, I would say. I feel like this one may be a little bit more dark, so we'll see. Because these little top things on the Plouise liquid blushes and bronzers kind of scare me, okay? I ain't even gonna hold you. They're a wild card, you guys. You really never know, because they can splatter everywhere, like, very quickly. So that's why I just take the tops off and just squeeze it from the actual applicator. I think I'm just gonna mix together the Huda and the Plouise on a little makeup plate and then go from there. I kind of want to add a little bit of glow to my blush, so I'm going to go in with this Versed Mood Lighting Luminizing Glow Drops. They're actually really pretty. I'm just going to take a little bit in the blush and kind of mix it around to make like a luminous blush. Let's see. I think I'm going to go in with, which brush should I use? Let's use the Makeup by Mario F4 today and just blend this together on the plate first, and then let's go in and see what she's giving. Ooh, that's actually hella pretty. And those glow drops from Versed, they added a really nice like glow too. Okay, blush combo. That is sickening, mama. Okay, next up is concealer. You guys know I like to go ham with this stuff. I'm gonna go into 3, but oh wait, hold on. I forgot to put this little thing back on the Plouise blush. Oh Lord. Let me pop that back on right quick. Hello. I'm gonna first take the Fenty Beauty We're Even concealer. I'm gonna put this one right here, kind of closest to where my blush ends, kind of right here. And then also gonna take some on the nose bridge, the forehead, upper lip, and then the chin. Next, I'm gonna layer on this one from Huda Beauty. I'm just gonna take this one right here, kind of sandwiching it just to get a little bit lighter. Lastly, I'm gonna take this one from Too Faced. This is their Born This Way concealer. I'm just gonna take this one since it is the lightest shade that I'll be using and put that in my very inner corner because we like to be mugged over here, honey. Mug or nothing, baby. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my same painted sponge. I love a good sponge blend, you guys. Like, it just makes everything so seamless in my opinion. Okay, now for the under eye. Oh, these sniffles are no joke, you guys. I literally hate being sick. Like, I'm such a productive person and I like stick to a strict schedule that when I can't stick to that schedule, I'm like, my whole day is off. It's like, what am I even doing, you know? But we have to prevail, ladies and gentlemen. We have to prevail. After I blend out my concealer, I've been adding my color corrector on top. This is the Morphe color corrector concealer, the new ones. This one's in the shade Blossom 01. It's a really pretty light pink shade. I've been taking it in my inner corners to brighten up after I blend out my concealer, and it's been looking super good. So I'm just gonna take this right here in the very inner corners. Gonna let it sit for a couple seconds just to get a little bit more like fuller of coverage too. And while I let that sit, I do want to show you guys the powder I'll be using because y'all know I like to blend out my concealer immediately and then set it with powder. But I'm gonna go into the Kimchi Chic Puff Puff Pass powder in the shade of Banana. I literally love this powder so much, you guys. It's an oldie but a goodie. I used to use it a lot back in the day, but as of right now, I've been kind of diving back into her lately. Have me a little snacky here too, if I can open them. These are the Trader Joe's, a handful, wait, what? These are the Trader Joe's dark chocolate covered pretzels. These are literally so good. You guys, if you've never tried them, they always get me at the checkout at Trader Joe's. Like, they're right there at the little checkout and they're so freaking good. Every time, okay? They're gonna hit every time. Like, look how cute. Gotta stay hydrated too, my loves. Okay, I think it's been like a minute or so. I'm just gonna go in and blend these inner corners out. I know the bright inner corner isn't for everybody, but it's for me. Okay, I love it personally. I love like the bright pink kind of look on me, so that's just what I'm gonna stick to. Like, I think it looks so pretty, like so bright and pink and girly poppy. Okay, and once the pink under eye corrector is blended out, I'm gonna go into my Kimchi Chic powder, tap off the excess, and then just go ahead and set. I'm gonna take some of this Maybelline powder. It's their Pressed Fit Me powder in like a very light shade. I'm gonna take it on like a, what do you call these? Powder puffs. I'm just gonna press it in the inner corner just to get some additional brightness. Not that we really need it or anything, but I just like that really bright and snatched under eye look. You know what I'm saying? Gonna let that sit for a minute while I do my bronzer. I almost forgot, before bronzer though, I take an all over face powder just to set any areas that weren't covered by the kimchi powder. Okay, now we're gonna hop into bronzer. I'm gonna go into my Fenty Beauty. You guys know this is the Cocoa Naughty one. It is running a little low, but you guys know I love her. Just gonna take it on a bronzer brush and then just go ahead and bronze up my face, darling. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe away this bake underneath my eyes. You don't have to really wipe it away, but tapping it out would be just fine, just so it kind of melts into the skin, but you still have that coverage there. So tapping will do it justice. And then since I'm not doing any eyeshadow today, I'm just gonna go back into my Fenty Beauty bronzer. I'm just gonna take this on a fluffy brush and just put it throughout my crease and then also on my lower lash line, just so our crease isn't really blank. And it kind of like looks like you put in some effort with your look and did some eyeshadow when it's really just bronzer. And it's literally no surprise that my eyes in my inner corner is already watering, so go me. Hate that for me, you guys. I hate that when I'm sick or like when my allergies flare up, my eyes just water so bad. I hate it, bro. But we shall continue. Okay, like I said, we shall prevail. Okay, I'm just gonna have to fix my inner corners later. I don't know if you guys can really see what's going on, but they're kind of watering. But hey, what can you do? We're gonna go into some blush next. I love this painted blush. This one is in the shade Girly Pop. Love this painted brush too. I showed you guys in my last YouTube video. Just gonna pop her on. Such a pretty like pink kind of color. You guys, this look has taken quite a turn as my eyes literally, oh my gosh. In the inner corners would not stop watering and they still won't. So I try to just put like highlighter in my inner corner as like a cute little something to try to like cover it up, but it's still not really working that well. So kind of looks like shit. So that's okay. I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. And I'm just gonna do a thin line just so we can have something on here to do our lashes on. I'm gonna put on some mascara. I'm gonna use this YSL Lash Clash, the waterproof one though, because my makeup's kind of already fucked on my eyes at least, and I don't want my eyes to water anymore and ruin everything even more. So yeah, waterproof mascara it is. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks like literal shit. I'm about to crash out. I'm about to crash out. Okay, let me just throw on some lashes and maybe that'll make me feel better. I don't know. It's just like, I really thought I was finna eat the girlies up today with this look. And my sickness said absolutely not, baby. But that's okay. You know what? We tried our best. I don't have nowhere to go today. Not shit to do, so at least it's not, you know, something that I'm getting ready for and I'm like pissed about, you know? It's really just the eyes. Like the inner corners is just what's ruining the look because it's watering, bro. And like every time I try to fix it, it's just, it looks like shit. It looks like complete and utter dog shit. You know, they say lashes fix everything, so let's see if it can fix this horrendous eye. Sorry, I'm like covering you guys. Let's see if it can fix this horrendous eye catastrophe that we've got going on here. You guys, this is the best we're gonna get it. Let's just go ahead and move on to the lip combo because child, I'm already over this look, okay? I'm over it. This is the only time you bitches will catch me slipping is when I'm sick, okay? That's it. I'm going in with this lip pencil from the Lip Bar. It's a little dark though. Y'all, my stomach hurts. Okay, we're gonna take MAC, what is this one? Flesh Pot lipstick. I'm just gonna put this right in the center. Oh, my lips is dry as shit, bro. See, this is what being sick does to you, honey. I'm gonna take the Made by Mitchell Beam Gloss in Milkshake for Me, a classic. Just right in the center. I do want to gloss my liner with this NYX gloss in the shade Lava Cake. Just gonna go over the outside. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna go over the outside of my liner with this gloss. And then lastly, I'm gonna take my H&B gloss and then put it on top of everything. Tried to turn from Ciate to Baddie, but I kind of think we got an in-between type of look today. The eye makeup is, you know, subpar, but hey, we tried our best for being sickly. I just wanted to get ready, get cute. It didn't really happen as I planned, but that's okay. You know, not everything goes to plan. We just gonna have to deal with it. Nonetheless, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I still wanted to pop out a weekly video for you guys, even though I'm feeling a little under the weather. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, what are you doing? Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do upload on here every single Sunday. Give this video a big thumbs up. The likes help out so much. And also leave a comment down below, okay? Y'all know I don't bite. And don't forget to follow me on all my other social media sites. I will have them all linked down below. Praying by next Sunday I will be all better and refreshed and the makeup game will be top tier. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.